talk about the grammar of komu. The grammar of komu is mean to do something for a long time or to move. To do something for a long time or to move. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of komu, you can use it only for the verb. You cannot use it noun adjective. So what you have to remember, when you use the verb, you should change the verb to be the stem form, or you should change the verb to be the mass form and cut out the mass. For example, ikimasu, and you cut out the mass, you just say iki komu, something like this. Furi komu, right? But even in Japanese, you can use the kanji in komu, or you only the hiragana. It just had the same meaning. So don't be confused when you see the thing like komu in kanji or komu in hiragana. It just had the same, like do something for a long time or to move. If we just say komu is meaning to do something for a long time or move, true that we really don't understand how to use. So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of komu, we are going to see some sample of how to use. The first sample, この紙に必要な情報を書き込んでください。この紙に必要な情報を書き込んでください。Which means, in English, please write the necessary information on this paper. Please write the necessary information on this paper. The next example, we have the sentence like, あなたの口座にお金を振り込んだよ。あなたの口座にお金を振り込んだよ。Which means, in English, I transfer the money to your account. I transfer the money to your account. The first, we are going to focus on the first sentence. The first sentence will focus on the red letter, komu. You see that they use the verb kaku, right? So we change to the mass form. We can change to be like kakimasu, which means writing. Kaku is mean writing, right? So kakimasu, and we cut the mass out, so we just left only kaki, and followed by komu, right? But in this case, we change the komu to be the de or de form, right? So you can say kaki kunde kudasai. Kaki kunde kudasai. Nani o kaki kunde kudasai desu ka? Hitsuyou na chouhou o kaki kunde kudasai. Doko ni desu ka? Kono kami desu, right? Which means that please write the necessary information on this paper. この紙に必要な情報を書き込んでください。Something like this. And the next, the second sentence, we see that they will use the verb with furu, right? When you change to the mass form, it means furimasu. And when we cut out the mass, we just left only furi, and end by komu. So you can say furikunda yo, right? Furikomu, which means transfer, which transfer to something. And what you transfer, okane is mean money, right? Where? where it means koza, which means your account. あなたのaccount、あなたの口座にお金を振り込んだよ。Which means I transfer the money to your account. Right? If you work in the company, every month the company will transfer your salary to your bank account. So in that case, you can use you can say 私のアカウントに、会社からお金を振り込んだよ。Right. Which means that my company transfer the money or salary to my account, something like this. So I hope that you understand. Let's see another sentence. この薬の使い方は鼻から吸い込むことです。この薬の使い方は鼻から吸い込むことです。Which means this medicine is used by breathing in it in through your nose. This medicine is used by breathing it in through your nose. The next example. 今日は1時間走り込んだ。今日は1時間走り込んだ。Which means today I ran for 1 hour. Today I ran for 1 hour. You see that first sentence we use su, which means breathe. But change the mass from suimasu. 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 We use the kom, we say suikomu koto desu, which means you breathe, right? Breathing, you're breathing through your nose. Nose means hana, right? Hana kara suikomu desu. Suikomu koto desu, which means you should use it by breathing through from your nose. As the second sentence, we see 今日は1時間走り込んだ。We use the verb 走る。走る is mean run. And we use change the must form. You can say 走ります。So cut out the must. Just let only 走り込んだ。走り込んだ is the past tense form. So that means